Okay, now we are solving for number 4 through 6 here. So number 4, so find the graph of the following inequalities. Okay, so first of all, look at a question here. So before solving this problem, can any absolute value be less than a negative number? No, right? So since, this case, this absolute value is less than 3, it is not possible to draw on the graph. So in this case, not possible. Okay, now the second one here. So since it is negative 7, you may think it may be not possible either, but we have to see and actually isolate absolute value term and then double check the negative number be on the right side. Okay, so let's solve for absolute term here. So we combine 15, then it's going to be absolute 2x plus 1 is bigger than 8. So this case we can find the inequality for this absolute inequality value here. Okay, therefore I'm putting down here. So absolute 2x plus 1 is bigger than 8. So this case, based on our absolute tens, you can make negative and positive and expand, right? Which means on the number line here, based on negative 8 and 8, the interval inside interval must be below negative 8, such as negative 9, negative 10 like that, or bigger than 8 here. Okay, therefore you can set up this inequality. 2x plus 1 is less than negative 8, or 2x plus 1 is bigger than 8. So from here, solve for inequality. So minus 1, so become 2x is less than negative 9, so divide by 2. Then x is less than negative 9 over 2, and minus 1, so 2x is bigger than 7, so divide by 2, then x is bigger than 7 over 2. Okay, so let's indicate this on the number line here. Then we can draw number lines 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, they're all negative by the way, and negative 5 and negative 6, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that, and negative 9 over 2, which means negative 4.5, so it become here, so must be open dot and go this direction. And now 7 over 2 means 3.5, so also not include here, and then go this direction. That will be the answer for this inequality. Okay, so let's move on. Number 5. A line that passes through negative 1, 5, and 3 and negative 4. Find the equation of the line. So, if 2 points are given, but nothing else are given, then we need to find the slope first, and then we can use point slope formula and find the equation of the line. So let's find the slope first. So since we have 2 points, negative 1, 5, and then 3 and negative 4, so set up, this is x1, y1, then x2, y2, so m equal to negative 4 minus 5 over 3 minus negative 1, which means negative 9 over 4. Okay, that's our slope. Now we need to find the equation of the line, so I'm gonna choose either point. So let's choose this one. Then we can do y minus y1, which is 5, equal to negative 904, and then x minus negative 1. So y minus 5 equal to 904 x, and then become plus 1 actually, so minus 9 over 4 again. So you combine 5 here, then it becomes y equal to 9 over 4 x, and then plus 20 over 4 minus 9 over 4, so y equal to 9 over 4 x plus 11 over 4. So that will be the equation of the line here. Okay? Alright then. Now what's the second question? So find the parallel to the line passing through 9 and 1. So what's the key concept of the parallel lines? Yes, the parallel lines have exactly same slope. So in this case, we can generate m equal to 9 over 4, and then passing through point 9, comma 9, comma 1. Okay. Okay, so based on this, we can also utilize point slope formula. Then we can find equation of the line. So y minus 1 equal to 904 x minus 9. Then y minus 1 equal to 904 x minus 81 over 4. Now you plus 1 both sides. Then y equal to 9 over 4 x plus 4 over 4 minus 81 over 4. Therefore y equal to 9 over 4 x minus 77 over 4. That will be the parallel line equation. Okay? Then now the C here, so find the perpendicular to the line passing through 0 and 9. Okay, so what's the key concept of the perpendicular lines? Yes, so based on the given slope, the perpendicular line slope will be opposite and reciprocal. So now we know the original slope was 904. Therefore, we can find out perpendicular slope must be opposite reciprocal, like this, right? Okay, then now this is the slope, and then passing point 0, 9. And if you know this is already y-intercept, then this question will be much easier. So the answer become y equal to negative 4 over 9x plus 9. Because that's the y-intercept, we just plug y equal to mx plus b, and then m is 9, negative 4 over 9, b is 9. That's it. Okay? Now, let's move on. Number 6 here. So the slope of a given line is 1/3. What is the parallel to the line passing through 0 and 6? And then what is the perpendicular of the line passing through 4, 3? Okay, so this question also, we can apply the same concept we just had solved on number 5. So, given slope m equal to 1/3, okay, then any parallel line must have the same slope m equal to 1/3 as well. Yes? And then what's the given point? 0, 6. So we passing through 0, 6. Like last time here, if x is 0, then this is already y-intercept. Yes? Therefore, the answer 6a must be y equal to 1/3 x plus 6. That's the answer. Now 6b. 6b is a little bit different because perpendicular. So what was the key point of perpendicular? Yes, slope become opposite and reciprocal. So perpendicular line slope must be m equal to opposite reciprocal, which means 3. And then what is the passing point, which is 4, 3. So the line passing through 4, 3 here. So now we can use Poincaré formula and then find the equation of the line. So y minus 3 equal to m negative 3 x minus 4. So y minus 3 equal to negative 3x plus 12 and plus 3. Then y equal to negative 3x plus 15. So that's the answer for 6b.